Your next car could be the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Picture yourself at the wheel of this comfortable and capable Pathfinder. Solid, versatile, and smooth, it has all the features you need to make road trips, towing, and household projects a breeze. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, third row seat, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls. Take every project in stride with this versatile Pathfinder. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.